Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So first let's open settings, then go to the other wireless connections, then go to the Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can switch a hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display a QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. You can also set it up to turn off hotspot automatically if nobody is connected. And you can change its AP band. And yeah, that's all the settings for personal hotspot. And you can also switch a hotspot here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.